Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to fade in and fade out audio on Filmora. So, we have uploaded a sample audio here. Now, double click on audio, and you'll see audio options, and you have here fade in and fade out. Let's make fade in 2 seconds and fade out also 2 seconds. Now, let's increase to 4 seconds. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.